What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all doing well. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. It does help the channel out. Our goal for 2021 is to hit the 10,000 subs, so make sure you're subbed. So guys, today we're talking about a new stock investing platform that has just launched in Ireland, the Republic of Ireland. So let's get straight into the video. So guys, the sponsor of today's video is BUX, and the platform we're going to talk about is BUX Zero. Now they've given me exclusive pre-launch access to their BUX Zero app to give you guys a rundown of the app and show you what they have to offer. So not only do they just do stock investing, they do crypto investing with BUX C and CFD trading with BUX X. So guys, we'll focus on this BUX Zero stock investing app today, see if it competes with the likes of DeGiro, Trade212, Revolut, to see if it's up there with them. So let's get straight into it, we'll jump straight into it. So guys, BUX Zero, do more with your money, invest commission free in shares and ETFs. You can see it's available on the App Store and Google Play with 4.6 thousand 5-star reviews and 4.1 thousand 5-star reviews. So that is pretty good. So they have articles here. So the Business Insider, Bloomberg. So we'll have a look at the Business Insider. Trading app BUX raises 80 million to support European expansion. So yes, as I said, it is launching today in Ireland, and it is launched recently in Belgium and a few other countries. So they are expanding hard. They're a rapidly growing broker. It's good to see articles from credible sources. It gives transparency to BUX Zero and helps it grow. Green is the new black. Discover sustainable investing. Build a portfolio and the world you want with BUX Zero. So ESG stands for environmental social governance. So what this basically is, if you yourself are an environmentally friendly person, you can invest in ETFs that are with your values, investing in companies that are following the same values as you. So you're not investing in companies like oil companies that you don't morally support. So this gives you the option to enter ETFs that have companies that are all environmentally friendly. Yes, so guys, moving on, don't let your fees eat away at your profits. Commissions take a big bite out of your profits, even more so when you invest in small amounts. So yeah guys, this is definitely a big one when choosing a brokerage to invest with. The likes of DeGiro has very high fees and will eat away if you have a small investment account. So definitely commission free investing is the way forward with small investment accounts. So that's one advantage BUX Zero has over DeGiro. So no commission fees on all orders on US shares. So guys, this is basically why BUX Zero is actually called BUX Zero. Now BUX have created the BUX Zero order. Now this essentially is investing commission free on EU shares and ETFs. Something no other brokerage that I know of actually does. So what is the zero order, guys? Zero orders get processed in bulk at the end of the day, making it commission free for you guys. So if you're not too worried about getting in at a certain time of the day and you're buying stocks for the long term, zero orders are the best for you because they are commission free. Or you can also simply use the normal market order if you want to. But usually EU shares are not commission free when you're using market orders. So this is how you're getting commission free EU shares and ETFs with BUX Zero. Furthermore, €1 commission on market orders on EU shares and ETFs. Yes guys, this matches up to the likes of Trade212. They're both low to no commission platforms. Also, if you're invested with Trade212 with EU companies, you have to pay a small commission also. So meeting all your investment needs directly in the app. Get fresh, jargon-free news with educational content at your own pace. Join and connect with the largest community of European investors. We're regularly adding new stocks and ETFs. Send us your requests. That's actually gas. So they actually do listen to the clients they are working with. So that is pretty good. So if you're interested in a company that you like and it's not in the app, send in your request, they might add it then down the line. So that is pretty cool. So learn as you go. We believe you can make better investment decisions with solid financial knowledge. So this is good. All these people providing courses for $300 or $400 and you can get it all for free here. So that is actually major. Choose the right investments. We go over to see what it says here. How to choose the right investments, main points. Like, that's crazy. Like, this is really good. Like, a lot of people selling this for $300 or $400 and it's here for free. So that is actually major. Why and how to diversify your portfolio. Why is it important for diversification? How do you do it? Main points. A diversified portfolio helps you reduce the overall risk of your investments. So it's really good to see this. It's really good to see this. I'm actually happy about this now. Okay, all you need to know about dividends. So a lot of people don't even know what dividends means. It's basically a payout from a company to the investors like me or you as a thank you for investing in that company. So basically it goes through all of that and it explains it cleanly, simply, and for free. BUX Zero is a regulated institution. Now this is good. It is regulated by AFM, the Dutch authority of the financial markets. And you can see BUX.BV, a registered investment firm. So it is a regulated institution by the AFM, so which is good. So moving on, your money is in a clearing bank account and is protected by the conditions of the DGS up to 100,000. So what is the DGS, guys? The DGS is the Dutch Deposit Guarantee. It's a guarantee scheme for depositors at the Dutch bank. if the bank fails. So our money is safe in that bank even if it fails, up to 100,000. We'll move on to community. What is community? So what is BUX community? BUX community is basically like Wall Street Bets and Reddit, sharing information, sharing up-to-date research and things like this. So we'll have a look at it. So guys, you can see all the categories here and then the latest posts that have been posted. So as you can see, they have market news, stocks and ETF requests. So you can actually put your ETF request in here. Crypto, everything crypto, and stocks and ETF discussion. So it's all broken down into different categories, and you can ask questions or provide information that you've done on stocks and things like this. So it is pretty good to have a BUX community together. Having everything in one section here I like too. So having the requests, the ETF and stock requests, the market news, the open chat, the crypto investing, stock investing and discussions all in one place is nice and neat. So it is good that they have this, and it is a step up from other platforms. Yes guys, that is the BUX Zero website. We'll jump onto the BUX Zero app on my phone. We can just follow along and we'll see what it's like. We check out the watch list. So we have the stocks, we have the Adidas, Apple, Bank of America, Beyond Meat, Ford, GoPro, Heineken. So Heineken, that is actually a European stock. So we've newly added assets. Browse the latest arrivals on BUX Zero. So we have dividends, assets with upcoming dividends. That's a nice one. So we have the ETFs all in one little section here, and the US stocks. We'll have a look at the newly added Canopy Growth, Churchill Capital, Tattooed Chef, Tilray, Virgin Galactic. So yeah, they're constantly adding new stocks. We go to the dividends. So this is all the companies that have upcoming dividends. So the ex-dividends date, when you get in before the ex-dividends date, that's when you receive the dividends the next month. So we'll check out the ETFs. So invest in a basket of assets. So these are all the ETFs around the world. You can see the All World FTSE ETF. We have the SP 500 ETF, Healthcare Innovation ETF, Japanese Stocks ETF. It's a quick way to invest in many companies at once. Your money is spread out evenly over all them companies. We'll move on to US stocks. As you see, Abercrombie, Activision, Blizzard, Adobe, Boeing. They have a good selection of stocks here. So moving on to countries. So if you want to invest in French companies, you can go into France. You can see all the different French companies that you can invest in. Moving on, we can go to Germany. These are all the different German companies that you can invest in. Scrolling down, we have all the different categories: automotive, consumer, energy, finance, healthcare, all this. What I like about the app is it is pretty clean. It's very straightforward and straight to the point. So that's what I like about the app. Yes guys, that's pretty much all I can show you with the BUX Zero investing app. So what do I think about this stock investing platform? Well, we learned that it does take environmental and sustainable investing into consideration with their ESG ETFs. So definitely taking a step back and looking at that is a different approach to other platforms and other brokerages. It's giving you the option to invest in sustainable companies and stay away from companies that are bad for the environment. So it gives you the option and it's there. So that's one aspect of why I like this platform and one advantage over other brokerages. So aspect number 2 I like is the learning center. Now that is a major one. All these YouTubers, Instagram investors asking you to buy their course, do this, do that for $300 or $400, and you're putting your money into that when there's free, clean information on the site. So that is one big advantage that BUX Zero has over a lot of other brokerages. They give you all the learning tools in one place. Basically like they want you to succeed in investing. Other brokerages just want you to put in your money, they take some commission and that's it, happy Larry. They don't care if you win or lose. These are providing good tools for you to make good investment decisions. Now another aspect is the BUX community. Now it isn't a major aspect, but it is good to have it there. You can find information all over the internet, like on Bloomberg, on Business Insider, so it isn't a major one, but it's good to have a good place to share information and get information. Now it does match up to other communities because Train 212 has a community itself, so it is matching up against Train 212. Also with the low to no commission, it is matching up with Train 212 also, so it is up there with the other brokerages. And finally, the last aspect I like is it's rapidly growing. It just launched in Belgium and now it's launching in Ireland, so it is rapidly growing, it is getting popular, and it will be a big brokerage in the coming years, no doubt about it. Now guys, I'm not a financial advisor, but if I was a new investor, I would definitely choose this. I am pretty excited about this platform to see what it has to offer in the next couple of years, as it will progress and grow to different countries and be available in multiple countries in the EU. So that's pretty much it guys. Go ahead and check the link in the description to BUX Zero. Always, I want to mention my Patreon. We cover weekly stock watches and exclusive content, so if that's something that interests you, go ahead and check the link in the description. And with that said guys, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.